Alright, let's do a little product review. SOSGEAR. Let's see what we got in here. So this is the 36-inch saw. Hand saw. Kind of like a chainsaw, but I'm gonna say there. So we got teeth on both sides, so it'll cut both ways. I had an old piece of dead oak laying here. I gotta figure out where I can set the camera, and we're gonna see how it goes. I got this for Christmas. I'm pretty excited about it. I hope it works really good. Comes in this little, as you see, little carrying kit. Got a belt loop on it. Super lightweight. Should be really good for throwing in your backpack for little camping trips or whatever. Let's see, where am I going to put the camera? Oh, I should plan this out ahead of time. So you gotta unwind it first. It gets a little wound up when it's in the pack. Okay, and one end under there comes with these little loops, so you can put your hands through and hook it on your wrist if you want. There you go, but it's doing a really good job. Alright, so you can see, right, pretty good sized log. Didn't take long at all. So it's just like a chainsaw, sharp little teeth, going one way and for the other way. Tired. So what I'm thinking with this too, they'll be able to hook little carabiners around that and some paracord. Throw it up in some branches if I got to do some clearing or overhead. Trim them down. Huh. Besides making you tired, good workout. That is slick. That made quick work. Good clean cut. That's pretty good. I like it. Seems sturdy. Stuck down there good with these little metal fasteners. Some good heavy duty webbing. Cool. SOSGEAR 36-inch. Little survival saw. See if I can crack it down. found it on Amazon for $20, roughly. Super good little deal. Pack some in there. And we're back. Pocket size.